Yeah, this is the flood taking everything away. We just from visitor house.
I'll tell you, my child. Water.
When the houses of water. All in visitor houses so water. You know, other houses that around here, you know, people trying to leave the community because the water floating all over. All in the rooms, the houses. Yeah, video recording by Harris T. Jacob. We on our way home now. Yeah, this is stuff. Says I say sorry for what happened to you. Yeah. Once life is there, there's more hope. We stay finding our way out. Yeah, right now everybody feeling cold. Well, this is the first time to see water flowing in the community. Really? Yeah. Water too much. Où on les pousse? The other people left the place because of the water. The corner is ready. All the swam, as you can see, they pump everything in water. Yes. Where is she? Yeah, video recording by Harris T. Jacob.